Greetings of the day. My name is Ayub sir. Today onwards we are going to start a channel which is Biology 360 with Ayub sir. 360 refers the marks related to biology as well as 360 is the total biology. So today onwards we are going to start the biology classes, both botany as well as zoology, available in Hindi, English, both languages. And when we are going to start in Hindi, the same title was given as Morphology Flowering Plants Hindi, and the same title Morphology of Flowering Plants in English. Like that, with the same titles we are going to start the channel. So in this, what is the difference between, you will find out the difference is, number one, we are going to teach with everything with quotes, and hope you enjoy this session. Every session will have a different unique features. So with this regarding, we will start with the lessons. Like for example, children always have a confusion with the anatomy of flowering plants. Remember, anatomy of flowering plants, there is a TS of root, TS of stem, TS of leaf. These are the three things. So the TS of root, always remember, root is a radial. So radial arrangement of, what is meant by radial? Radial means it's like a sun rays. How do they start? From a single point. Like the way radial, the xylem and phloem are the tracheophytes are going to start. One ray is with xylem, another ray with phloem, another ray with xylem, another ray with phloem. So xylem alternates phloem, phloem alternates xylem. So this is the way the xylem and phloem alternatively present in the root as a radial form. It means the xylem and phloem are not going to have lateral side. What is meant by lateral? Lateral means sidewise. So xylem and phloem are not situated laterally, but they are present radially. So root always radial. Next, come back to the stem. What is the stem? Stem, always remember that endark. Sir, what is meant by endark? Endark means I'll give you one code to remember this. Stem, you know what is the male reproductive part in the plant? It is nothing but called stem, right? Stamen. Okay. So same, divide the word with stem and n, because stamen is the code for to identify stem endark. Second, if the root is having radial, stem is having endark, and the exarch kind of arrangement is present in root. What is meant by exarch? In mathematics, whenever we are going to write that root x, got it? Root x. So root is showing exarch. Like that you can remember the code. ठीक है बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, हम लोग आज से एक सीरीज बायोलॉजी की स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, बायोलॉजी 360 विद अयूब सर चैनल के नाम पर। इस चैनल में आपको सारी बायोलॉजी पढ़ाई जाएगी, जिसके अंदर हम लोग कंसंट्रेट करेंगे कि हर लेसन का डिटेल में आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया जाए, और हर लेसन में आपको कोर्स के तौर पर, कोर्स की बिना पर आपको जो है लेसन समझा दिए जाएंगे। एक बार अगर लेसन समझ में आया तो उसके बाद आप खुद पसंद करेंगे कि ये लेक्चर्स कैसे हैं। तो होप दोस हु राइट नाउ आई एम करंटली वर्किंग इन बैंगलोर। सो हम लोग हर लेसन के अंदर कोर्स की तौर पे जो है लेसन स्टार्ट करेंगे, शुरू करेंगे, और बॉटनी और जुआलॉजी दोनों की तरह हम लोग जो है दो सब्जेक्ट्स के लेसन्स भी पूरी बायोलॉजी के 360 मार्क्स कवर करेंगे। और इस नीट एग्जाम में टोटल आउट ऑफ 360 आई हैव ट्रेन्ड नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, एंड आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बंडल्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस रिलेटेड टू माय टीचिंग, एंड आई हैव ट्रेन्ड नंबर ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, दोज हु आर ऑलरेडी being my doctor students, those who are already working as a doctors know that what is my teaching. So इसके अंदर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हिंदी में भी आपको लेसन सेपरेट किया जाएगा और इंग्लिश में सेपरेट किया जाएगा। हिंदी में लेसन प्योर हिंदी में समझाते हुए इंग्लिश में लेसन पढ़ाया जाएगा और हिंदी में समझा दिया जाएगा।